Sanctuary. It is in the key of D, and I'm going to just show you the most simple way to play this, so I hope you enjoy it. As always, make sure to stop this video right now, click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. All right, let's go. In the key of D, we have 3 main chords, and that's actually all this song consists of. So we have a D, G, and A. Here is a D chord with a D, F sharp, A. It's a triangle shape right there. Then we have an A chord, triangle shape as well. Your hand stays that same shape actually when you move from a D to an A. And here is an A, C sharp, E. Triangle shape again. Then our G is a straight line, G, B, D. Just plays right across the white notes there, okay? Our left hand is gonna play single notes when our right hand is playing chords. So D, thumb on D, line up your 5 fingers, and you don't have to move this left hand the whole song. D with our D chord, A with our A chord, and G with our G chord. Okay, so the rhythm I'm going to teach you, like I said, the most simple way to do it is just a together,